Hello everybody! Today we are going to try out new products. These products are not necessarily new, although there is one. This is by Andrea Brillantes, the only one that I don't have in my collection. Hindi ito necessarily bago. I bought the 120 vanilla, but it doesn't look good on me, so I decided to buy another color, which is 140 Golden Beige. This one, even though it's lighter, but when I put it on, it looks muddy. This one, it's a little bit darker, but it doesn't look grayish on me. So I'm going to put them together, but first, I'll do this one first. This one is actually Jeju Aloe that I put in this container because I don't have any more green tea shok shok essence. The container is way too big, and I don't want to dip my finger in there, so that's why I transferred it here. I also have some in my travel bag like this, so I transferred some here. I transferred some in another container so I can put it downstairs. I have it everywhere. Foundations go smoothly if your skin is well hydrated and well moisturized. Right now, I am mixing the 120 vanilla and 140 golden beige together like this. This is the closest to my favorite foundation, which is the Sephora medium beige neutral. And I find that this one is a little bit dry already, so I will just spritz some more. Make the face more hydrated. Foundation will go on smoothly. What I look for in a foundation is just sheer coverage. I don't like full coverage at all. I want fast application, something that can even out my skin. This is my first time trying this L'Oreal with another shade. Alright, at first it looks like it's just sitting on top of my skin. I think a little later this will become a little bit better. But of course, I like my Sephora foundation and Maybelline foundation. Also 120 Classic Ivory, but this one matches my undertone better than the 120 Vanilla from L'Oreal. Moving on, a new product in my collection. I don't really use concealer because it's so hard to find my perfect shade, but this is the closest I could find. This is L'Oreal True Match 4N, and I think it's neutral and it's beige. 4N beige. What I look for in a concealer is not really creamy. I have a lot of fine lines, so I look for something that could cover the shadow because I also have a big eye bag, really huge eye bag. I like to conceal the shadow that the bags make. Like, I don't cover all the way. I'll just do it like that. I got that technique from Wayne Goss, and I love it. It's just that I didn't find the right concealer shade yet. If this is maybe 2 shades lighter in the same undertone, this would have been perfect. I'll see if I can find some more. I will continue to find that one. Look at this one. It's too deep, and I just want to conceal the shadows. To perfectly do that, it has to be 2 shades lighter. I don't have brow product, so I'll just go straight to eyeshadow. Okay, so what I look for in an eyeshadow is easy to blend because I really suck at blending. This one is so beautiful.
It really is.
I take the word from Nikki Tutorials because she's a pro. I bought it because of Nikki. So I'm just going to try this shade with a fluffy brush. And as you can see, it's really dark. Look, it's dark, so you have to be light-handed with this. I have a friend, Miss Marge. She wanted me to do a review, and I'm kind of iffy about it because there are lots of reviews on this eyeshadow already, but we'll see. So can you see that one? It really fades up here, so I like that. Another product. This is from Hong Kong. My friend bought it for me. It's a Japanese brand. Look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. It is really on point. It's the leader of all cute packaging. Look at that. It's so beautiful. And usually I don't love liquid eyeliner because they're so hard to manage. As you can see in my other video, I have tons of liquid eyeliners, but they don't work for me. Let us try this eyeliner. With liquid eyeliner, I don't really do a wing. It's kind of hard to do that. So I'll just, oh gosh, this is hard. I'm not used to this. Yeah, I'll just make a little tiny wing. So my natural shape's really drooping, so I don't want to follow that shape. Instead, I will wing it out a little bit. Draw little lashes at the bottom. Okay, so I already did my other eyeliner, and as usual, I always make it thicker on this side than on the other side. It's making a line here. Look at that. And I can't use this one for tight lining, so I'm going to use a separate liner just to get rid of that line over here. It's a little bit better, although I don't want my eyeliner to be like all the way in here. It's harsh on me. There's no turning back because I'm leaving in like an hour. So look at that one. Too harsh of a look. I also want all my waterline to be black so it doesn't separate the shape here, up here, to the inside. So that's why I wanted to create an illusion that I have that kind of shape. Otherwise, it will look weird. See, that one is too harsh. That's why I like the gel eyeliner better. I don't like the liquid one. So I will leave it like that. Another one that I'm going to try. Actually, I'm going to put this one now because this is a magic lipstick. Okay, I'm going to apply this. See, it's brown and it smells so good. But then after a few minutes, your lips will become at least brighter. It's not brown. That one's nice. The next one is, this one came in a little Ziploc bag. I have watched a YouTube documentary, I think, and it mentioned there that the original mascara was actually made out of wax, kind of a petroleum, and a black color like charcoal. And they put that one in a container. They will just use a wand. And so this is inspired with that one. This is called Vegan Cake Mascara, vintage inspired. And it says authentic, 100% organic, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. Let's see what this can do. So you'll just rub it. I just don't like that this one cannot go in a tube just like the regular mascara because it's easy for the bacteria to hold on to this or dust. So that's just the downside, but we'll see. Also, it doesn't get hard just like what the regular mascara does. It didn't make my lash hard, which is nice. I think I like that. I don't mind as long as it holds my curl longer. It's curling my lash nicer than usual. It didn't coat, it just helped the curler curl it better. It didn't make it longer or anything like that. It's doing something. Because look at this one. This one is droopy and the other one is a little bit up there. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. It's messy. It has to be in a container or something. It will curl better if I have this product on. Na-record ka diri ba? So I'll coat my lashes first before I curl it with a curling tool. There you go. I like it. See, it's definitely doing something to my lash. The regular mascara one tend to grab like lots of products, and this one doesn't do that. The tip gets most of the product. I don't worry of having too much product on the other side. It's definitely holding my curls really well. I have new eyeliner. It's metallic. It doesn't have a reflective quality. So I don't know how I feel about this. And I also have this eyeliner / liquid eyeshadow. This one also is kind of weird because, yeah, it's metallic but it doesn't shine. These ones though, Handayan eyeliner. And it says long-lasting and professional. I got this for 85 pesos from Shopee and for no shipping fee. Oh my goodness. And I also have the green one. And I love this one so much. This reminds me of the Suva Beauty color. Oh my goodness. Since I can't get hold of Suva Beauty products, I'm just going to rock this instead. Look at that one. It's so pretty. This one is Simply Pretty Shimmer Blush Stick from Avon. It says shimmer, but it's not shimmer. I'm going to apply it here, and I don't like it. I like the powder better. I don't like it. I think if I get sweaty, this will make my face, I don't know, look greasy. It feels greasy. It has the color, but grease comes with it. And if you want to blend, if you blend it like this, you can take the grease out, but the color will go with it too. Not a good one. This one I think is close to 100 peso, but get a decent blush instead of this one. This one is kind of a joke. It didn't do anything. So I'd rather use my Essence or get a Vice Cosmetics blush, or even the Luna. Or Caroline also has like affordable blushes, but nice. This one from Essence looks similar to this, you know, like a peach natural blush, but this one I find long lasting. This Essence one. This is not a local brand, but I think Vice Cosmetics also has a nice one. So get a proper blush. Don't be deceived by this, what they call shimmer blush stick. It's just a waste of money. So we're done with blush, although this is not a new product. And what I'm most excited about is this one. This is the last, definitely not the least. This is Caroline Blythe Cosmetics kay Andrea Brillantes.
Marga ma.
Yes, si Marga.
And,
yes. I like the box. If I can fit this one here, I will put it here. Very youthful. Powder blue, but it's more muted than powder blue. And it has
Caroline.
Constellation theme. Yeah, it has the planet, the moon, the stars, and look at this one. It's so nice. And it matches with this too. I got liquid eyeshadow. So let's try it here first. This one is nice. See? It's shining. And compare it to the other ones. These ones from Avon. I will just use this one maybe in the inner corner. I'm afraid I will mess this up because the applicator is too thick. Oh gosh, I don't want this. And I'm just going to the doctor's office. So I don't want to look like I put a lot of effort. Why would I do that? Yeah, this is really pretty. I like it. I don't like the way I applied it here, but it's definitely workable. I love this one so much. I love the foundation. Definitely worth it. Avon products, those are disappointments, except the lipstick. I got Chameleon Cherry. It's bright. I like it. The concealer, it's good too. Especially the formula. I like this one. I will find a lighter shade so it can function like the way I want it to. Mascara, I love it. It's holding my curl. It's not really coating my lashes like other mascaras, but I like it. The Handayan eyeliners, look at this one. See, it won't smudge. Of course, the Japanese eyeliner is legit. It's not smudging. And the eyeshadow, of course, it's 100% recommended. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you in my next one.